Guys, look at this. It's fake Redbird blush. Fake Redbird. But today I'm not showing this. Today I'm not showing this plushie. Today I'm going to show you this plushie, Bluebird. It's not even fake. Look, it's cute. Just like Tim
I'm gonna go get my internet. So bye.
What?
I'm gonna go get my internet.
Oh, are you serious? There's not how to get internet. Okay. His voice is like this. Hello. That's my voice acting of Bluebird. And also sometimes, hello.
Also take this.
What?
What's this?
It's my fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. It's not so good to me. Then do that to me. Stick a wing in. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to launch. I'm gonna show you how to launch this. Oh my gosh, it just. Oh my gosh. It has a blue screen. Slappy, slappy, slappy bear. I'm gonna go check a different. I'm back.